Yo, today we're doing NQ, quick daily log. It is the 22nd of April today, and yeah, let's go straight into it. So today, I did not take a trade today. I did simply because my rules just didn't apply. I was watching the Silver Bullet Hour in the morning, and yeah, like there was a very nice play that did shape out. However, it just didn't go with my rules, So we're going to take a quick look into that. So on the daily, we have this daily inefficiency. Sorry, in the weekly, that's kind of forming here. And to be honest, we want to see it stay in this discount and instantly reject off it because we do want the lower prices, as we said on the weekly forecast. We want these lower prices. So we do not want it to retrace too much because that might mean it'll kind of come back into a consolidation where we were dying for weeks, as we can see right here. So dropping in to the daily. Looking at the Monday, it was an inside day. It didn't move much, to be honest. And an inside day usually means that the very next day we're going to have a more volatile day. So we got to keep a heads up for that. And today did have news. There was red folder news on a Monday, so it wasn't usually. What I'm trying to say is normally on Mondays where we don't have any news folders, it's extremely choppy and extremely painful to set in. Like we don't want to do that. It's better off to go to the gym or something. So today we actually had some red folders, but we didn't really see the volatility what we wanted to trade into, So today was an inside day, so we got to keep an eye out for tomorrow on a more volatile day. There is this inefficiency here, and as we do want lower prices, with any weekly profile, we'd expect some type of retracement or some type of movement upwards. Where could we aim for? Possibly this fair value gap, this inefficiency right here. Maybe this order block, that's a bit high. I don't think we're going to reach that far. But just got to keep an eye. And I'm tweaking. Look, this is the one I was talking about, sorry, that I have in my notes right here. This inefficiency. So we can definitely see that some type of retracement into this inefficiency or the one above it. And we want to see price definitely explode lower from there after that, those types of retracements. Dropping straight into the 1 hour, I'm going to show you real quick. Right here, if I plot my fib, I'm mentally ill. My fib, we drop into a short-term premium, and we instantly explode off. This is a perfect OTE right here. We have this inefficiency in a premium, and prices moving away from it, which we want to see at the end of the day. I did skip the 4 hour. Let me show you what we're looking at on the 4 hour. Is this an inefficiency? Was what I was trying to show as well. That inefficiency right there, it just barely closed it off. Body staying perfectly inside the, well, not perfectly, but staying in this inefficiency right here, which is beautiful price action to tell us that we want to go lower. So who knows? This might be the retracement for the week and the high of the week. We'll have to see how it pans out for the rest. But dropping into the session, I want to show you. Did I just do a 5? Am I retarded? Yeah, there. The 5-month chart. Imagine trading on a 5-month chart. Where am I going here? Yo, my tweak. Here. Thank you. Okay. So taking a look at the silver bullet right here. We have these lows accumulating, and what is retail gonna think from these? Look at me. They're gonna think this is staying in an uptrend, right? So we were taking a look at this, and there's sell stops below all these lows right here. So we're looking for an explosion downwards, and we had some PD arrays resting below there. Let me just show you real quick. We had the new week opening gap sitting there. We had this liquidity void on the far left, if you can see it. So we do have some valid PD arrays sitting right below. So we knew the draw was lower. We saw buy side get taken right here, little turtle soup, and it explodes lower. But unfortunately, like looking into the session, we never really found a nice clean entry for today, which is unfortunate. But we had a clear idea on price today, and it was not unreasonable. You know, like we did think about it. We didn't do anything rash and stupid, like take a bad trade on this day and regret it afterwards, right? There's this inverse dropping into the 1 minute. There's this inverse, and price closes. Oh my, please. Price does drop low and comes back into it and explodes lower. This is when we think, okay, I'm liking this. I know it wants to go lower. Now I start mapping out all my bearish PD arrays. So I got this order block right here. I got, as I said, the order blocks right here. We have this inefficiency right here that it returns into right here. So this is the ideal entry, but in real time, I just didn't see it pan out like that, and I didn't notice it. But it wasn't exactly a clean area to get into, and it just wasn't the trade for me today, you know. And sometimes you gotta stick to your rules, and I've learned that a day you don't take a trade is just that's where you make the money. It's where you don't lose your money and you keep your capital, right? So not a bad day today. Kept my capital, stayed safe, and yeah, so nothing crazy. I'll be sure to post a video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, peace out.